Recently, I had someone ask me about RGB and separations. All RGB pictures are actually 3 pictures. The record of that light, of the colors, is as follows. We have red, green, and blue. And I put it in that order so it's RGB, so it's easy to follow. If you pass this picture here, we're going to put this on the left side, and you pass that picture through a red light, you'll get a black and white picture. Now, this is the element of the record. So let's just say that this is black and white film. Here is another one. This is the green record into black and white. And here you have the blue record into black and white. As far as this goes for right now, we don't have any color applied to this, so it will be still 3 black and white pictures. So we need to apply color to the specific record. So for example, we cannot apply a green color, green light, into the red one. Our colors are going to be opposite. So the red, red, green, green, and blue, and blue. So let's look at the filter, color, RGB, prism. I don't know how you want to call this, but let's just say, well, I'm going to call it color for now, okay? So let's look at that. If you were looking at an optical printer, it would be a light, just so you know. Okay, so anyways, red, green, and blue. Now we need to merge these. Here's the first one. When you mix red and green, you already know what the result is. It's this one. And you mix the final one, the blue, you get that. Now, there's also the process of going the other way. What about CMYK? Well, let's look at it. In here, we have the original picture. When we pass it through here, through again, a node with the red. But this changes now. Now we're going to a full red light. So if you look at the separation, it's only the red light coming through. And then we have a full red light coming in. In here, we have the red light only. As you can see, the other ones are blacked out. And this is the result. You get the cyan. This one here, you get the magenta. That one there, you get the yellow. Now, notice that they are the opposite of those, because those are exactly what it is. It's the opposite of it. So let's go ahead and mix these two together. And here's, in the end, you get your negative. Because we're working in a negative light, we're going to get a negative result. So we need to turn that back into a color. And there's your picture again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 9. And now we're going to go to the other way. This is for compositing. This was used quite a lot. Here is the negative version of that picture. And here are the negative records of the light from that negative. Here is the red, green, and blue.